The event was organized in connection with several collaborative partners, Economic Development of Clarendon County, the Chamber of Commerce, and the Department of Commerce, to be an event to introduce the ideas of a career in manufacturing to local 8th graders. We're trying to hit kids as early as we can so that they can see that manufacturing is a very viable pathway. It's also very lucrative because kids like to know that they can make money and have a good lifestyle doing something. That's the way we're presenting it today, that there are lots of options for you and that you can have a career that can be meaningful, long-term, and interesting in the manufacturing industry. We have 5 schools represented here today, 3 from our local public school districts, and we have 2 private schools, so we're really excited about the representation overall. Lots of students in our building today. We have BCA, Bicycle Corporation of America, we have Continental, we have Thompson Construction, Clarendon County Fire Department, Spa War, they do robots and it's really cool. And then we have a very neat demonstration from one of our industrial technology programs at Central Carolina. So there's a few others, but those are some of the really active ones. So we're excited that everybody is here. Well, in the manufacturing zone is what we are calling it, where the exhibitors are. There's some very interactive activities that the students are participating in. They're making buttons. They're actually using some tools. They're seeing how to tighten up the spokes and wheels on a bike. So there's a lot of interactive stuff in the manufacturing zone. In our game zone, we have students involved in some competitive things because we know that they like to compete with each other, and we have some prizes for them. There's a game of Jeopardy that's kind of like a trivia of what's going on in Clarendon County and some of the companies that are here. And then we have them actually participating in a hands-on manufacturing teamwork type activity with spaghetti and marshmallows. It's really cool. And then they are touring the programs that are available here at FE DuBose. We have 10 programs that are available. We start with culinary, which also includes our hospitality tourism. We have early childhood, automotive, carpentry, cosmetology, law enforcement, information technology, and health sciences. So we have just a plethora of programs available to students, whether they're interested in manufacturing or not. There's always a connection, but you can come here and, by the way, have a greater chance of graduating from high school. Students who attend career and technology programs have higher graduation rates and better grades. And we are so excited to be a part of the vision for the future of Central Carolina.